In today's digital age, having a website is essential for any business. It serves as your online storefront, giving potential customers a glimpse into what you offer. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your brand's identity. It should be memorable, descriptive, and easy to spell. Next, select a reliable web hosting service. This is crucial as it keeps your site online and accessible to visitors. Choose a website builder or content management system (CMS) that suits your needs and technical skills. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace offer various functionalities. When designing your website, prioritize user experience. Ensure it's easy to navigate and visually appealing. Make sure to include essential pages such as Home, About, Services, and Contact. These pages provide visitors with critical information about your business. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords and quality content. This will enhance your visibility online. Integrate social media links and contact forms to encourage interaction and feedback from your visitors. Before launching, test your website for functionality and responsiveness on both desktop and mobile devices. Once everything is in place, launch your website. Promote it on social media and to your email list to spread the word.